Hi, my name is Priscilla Wathington. I'm going to be sharing a poem today from my chapbook. It is called Paper and Stick, and it came out at the end of 2021 with Tram Editions. So just as a bit of context, I was drawing a lot of my source material and my inspiration from my human rights work while I was working on this poem. I was also working on a report, and the report was looking at Palestinian children's experiences who had undergone solitary confinement after being arrested by the Israeli military. So in this poem I'm going to read, it's called Interrogate the Breaks. There are fragments of children's statements that we used with permission, and also just want to give a trigger warning so that people are aware that this is a heavy poem with some sensitive material. Interrogate the Breaks. They blindfolded me and did the same to Montasser. Their skip stops, hesitations, cardiacs, tied my hand behind my back with my own belt, insomnias of heat, aerial police station. The dropped phrase where the named strip searched me, then they buried, check the usual place, tied and blindfolded me. Under the skin, the liquid forms a pocket. At first, there were 4 of them. The splinter may dissolve in time. That was the last time I saw Montasser. Into the tissue, a temperature was controlled manually. The cell was so cold. Policy to extract every foreign. I could not close my eyes. Body, be sure the blade clean. I confess to the accusations made against me. Thank you for listening and for this wonderful festival, and I'm looking forward to hearing everybody else read.